So let's have a look how the dental office life looks like. 3D printing is used to to fit in several workflows: implant, crown bridge, denture base, clear aligner, nail guard, or splints. And usually, many of dental clinics are relying on a third-party dental lab due to mainly three challenges. One is the manual software tasks required, which is a lot of headache, a lot of steps, and required a specialized technician to operate the machine. Second is expensive and heavy machinery required. And the last one is hard to use with several stages of post-processing. Also, if, as Dr. Drew was showing how he is printing crowns, dentures, we have seen printer, washing, procure, or cure unit. So it requires another several stages after the printing. So this is how the dental office making this part to rely on a third-party dental lab. Okay, and what is the problem for dental office to rely on a third-party dental lab, or using the analogy of Dr. Drew, why dentist? What is the problem for a dentist to to have a marriage with the dental lab? So many of us have been to a dental office as a patient, and usually the patient journey takes 10 days. Appointment, measurement or impression, gypsum cast, and dentists need to send a 3D file or gypsum cast to avoid the hardware, software expertise required, like Jennifer's dentist used to do, and ship it to a dental lab. Then after the dental lab is building the crown, ship it back to the dental office. It might work or might require rescheduling. 50% requires rescheduling. And after then, the final crown or restoration or appliance is coming up. Usually this process takes 10 days and it costs the dental office over 100K US dollar per year to make this stuff. While once they adopt Xylodent or a 3D printer in office, the cost drop from 100K to around 40K. And instead of 10 days, it takes 1 day, same day,